Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S61 and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started you want to hold the power key. Once you see the boot options, hold power off. This will bring up the reboot to safe mode window, so from here confirm it and the reboot will begin. Once the device is back up, it will be then in safe mode, which you will be able to see by the watermark in the bottom left corner. And there we go, as you can see we're back up. And there's the watermark, safe mode, so we are right now in the desired mode. Now in this mode only the essential apps are working. Anything that I have downloaded from Play Store will be disabled from starting up, so you can troubleshoot your device from here. And once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is hold power key once more and simply select restart to get back to the normal mode. And we are now in normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.